everyone, what's up and welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy vanilla strawberry cake with frilly ruffles and ombre pinks. You're going to need only 3 recipes to pull this off: vanilla cake, buttercream, and fresh fruit compote. All you need is one special tool, so if you have a pedal tip and a pastry bag, you're halfway there. Once again, my famous vanilla cake hits the scene. If you've been looking for the best, fluffiest vegan vanilla cake ever, you finally found me. So what took you so long? I've been waiting for you to get here since August 3rd, 2018. I'm not going to get into the full mixing of that recipe here though, because I do go into it in great detail on the original video and the written recipe. But the second recipe you will need is a good, sturdy, decorating buttercream that tastes great. Once again, I'm here for you. My American-style buttercream is that recipe. And as well, I have the full details for that and how to mix it, and all the links for everything are below this video in the box. But one thing I will say about the buttercream recipe is that more recently I have stopped using the shortening element and I've gone all vegan butter. I do use Earth Balance vegan butter as I find it to be the lowest in moisture and it is the sturdiest. Earth Balance, unlike many other margarines and vegan butters I've tried, will actually get firm in the refrigerator, which is always a plus for stability. Okay, once you get those 2 recipes made, let's move on to the fruit compote. I'm making strawberry fruit today, and I almost always use frozen berries. In my opinion, they are the best for cooking down because they're usually sweeter than fresh fruits. They do have a high water content because of the freezing process, so you really don't have to add anything to it. Just cook it down. Sometimes I don't even add sugar, depending on how sweet the berries are and what I'm using the compote for. In this case, it's going inside this cake with buttercream, which is always so sweet anyway, so that natural tartness of the berries is a really good contrast to the whole cake. So add sugar to the compote or don't, it's really up to you. But I do have a secret to making all my berry compotes, and that's the addition of cranberries. Just a handful to whatever berry you're cooking down will add an incredible amount of natural pectin to the compote. So there's no need for thickeners either. So literally you can see here I have nothing but berries for this perfect thick and juicy compote with a natural sauce that's going to soak into those cake layers, keeping everything moist and delicious. I mean, how easy is this? So yeah, just build up your cake with all of those components and then a good crumb icing to seal the deal. And now we can get to the ruffling. I'm starting with white for the top and I'm gradually working down to the bottom with darker colors as I go. Now you may have to do a few tries to get the hang of this motion, but as long as you have that fat side of the tip facing down and give it sort of like a shaky pressure as you turn the cake stand, you'll get the hang of it in no time. But don't worry, this buttercream is really forgiving, so if you mess it up, just scrape it off and try it again. And once your ruffles are to your liking, I actually lied and said it was only 3 recipes. I totally forgot that I used the strawberry mirror glaze from another cake project, and this is completely optional, but man, it really takes this cake over the top. I have a separate tutorial for how to make vegan mirror glaze, so definitely check that out if you have not already. And again, all the links are below this video for everything that you're going to need. So yeah, just get to decorating this cake any way that you like, and obviously I'm using fresh roses, fresh strawberries, and a few sprigs of rosemary to add some natural greenery to this cake. And everything about this cake is edible. Oh, you crazy vegans eating roses all the time? Yep, roses and cake, that's my kind of dinner. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, there's definitely something wrong with you, but that's none of my business. Speaking of business, if you think you can help support this channel for as little as $3 a month, that would be amazing. It helps me to buy all the ingredients that it takes to create, test, and execute these recipes that I then share for free. So click the links to my Patreon page below if you want to join my other awesome peeps who are helping each month to make sure that Gretchen's Vegan Bakery can keep on going. And as always, a thank you to everyone watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing here to my channel. Every bit of it helps to keep this channel relevant. Alright everyone, thanks again for being here with me each week, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.